Hello and welcome to my presentation of this website that I've created. The website's name is Patient Doctor Interaction System, and basically what I'm going to show you is what each functions of each users can actually do. First we'll look at patients, and then we'll look at doctors, and then finally we'll look at admin, who are capable of controlling both the patient and doctors based on each respective user's rights level. So let me log in as Tyson, right? So an existing user, and that's the login loading page. That's that. And this is the main page where there's not much, it just says a few things about what the system actually does and what is the contribution towards diabetics and about the developer, right? This is a normal page. These are links which actually lead to these respective pages, right? And this is the patient profile where the patient can actually edit his or her profile, just save changes, and then changes are edited. And then this is the health info. Well, this page is only a viewing option to the patient. The patient cannot actually change anything in it because this is totally made editable to the doctor assigned to that patient only, right? So if anything changes, there is no way to actually send the data, so no matter what, the records doesn't actually change. Well, the glucose data is basically where the patient actually enters his or her glucose data whenever he actually checks it, and it's made that in a month the patient, a particular patient, has to check it about 14 days, and then after 30 days, in after a month, this one will be cleared, as in all will be returned back to zero, the truncated values, right? And then the patient will get an alert via email automatically from this system for an appointment. Both the patient and doctor will get an email alert for their appointments, right? So this is a change password field, then log out. If you're a new user, right, you just go and register here. Well, you have to enter real values, right, because this thing doesn't actually work. See, this says only alphabets allowed, and then here only numerics are accepted, right? And even in mobile only numerics are accepted, right? So if you want to just register as a new user, just put a row where you want, then just last name, number, right? Then voila, you register. If to prove that theory, what we actually do is this is it. See, this is the database. This is users value, and then there you go. Enter, right? There's a date jump right there. It's today's date. That's the main page. Now for the doctor's login, right? The doctor is more or less the same thing. So this is the doctor main, right? So this is the doctor profile, manage patients. This is the most important part in the page, in the doctor's site, right? So only the users assigned to the specific doctor can be viewed by this doctor, right? So when you want to view and update the health info, just go and click here and just change the values, right? Weight 75, HBL is 3, DL is about 6.66, urine 5.9, all ECG is about 90, 100, and you just click save. Once you save it automatically enter itself, and then if to prove it, you go back and then you go back in where your values are still there. So that's basically what the doctor can do, and the most important is the doctor can actually view glucose levels of a patient, but it cannot actually change it because we consider this a case sensitive issue and it only has to be dealt by the patient, right? So after that, sending emails works, it's like the recipient, and the sender is anybody, or what, just put it in. Hello, send. It'll take quite a while to process it because it's a local server that I'm running on, and it doesn't have its own web hosting, right? Not yet. Sent, right? So go log out and go to the admin login. Use the admin login. Basically what you can do is manage patients. These are the number of patients that are actually registered to the system. As you can see, this is the newest patient where there is no doctor assigned to him, so the admin can actually assign him a doctor. Let's say Simon, right? And then the username of the patient is here, so you can just put it in, right? So let's say Jack. So Simon is assigned to Jack. This is the patient. And let's say you want to delete a patient, you can just put his username in, click delete, and that patient will be automatically deleted. And manage doctors is a patient. Doctor can be deleted by just putting in his ID here, and then the doctor will be deleted. And then a registration of a new doctor can be made here. I just put in the new doctor's names and information, and then can be registered into the system. So that's the main part of the system, right? And the email alerts will go, every 30 days automatically. It's been set based on the timestamp inside the database, right? So to rectify that, we're actually going to show you the timestamp from the database. This is a timestamp that is going to be affected, right? So every 30 days after this, automatically an email will be sent to both the doctor and the patient, right? So that's the thing. Basically that's about it. This page 8, and that is nothing that much. So thank you for watching.